How to lock apps on Android without third-party applications. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to lock applications on Android without using third-party apps. So if you are also using Samsung devices just like me, just head over to your settings and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is security and privacy. So simply select that, and from over here just scroll down and click on more security settings, and Samsung devices provides the feature called secure folder, where you can easily add different types of applications or files, APK files over here to make sure it's not unlocked by anyone. So make sure you have set off the secure folder. You can just tap on the secure folder option over here, and also make sure that you have already set it up your password or pattern for that required secure folder. And once you do all of that, it will automatically generate a secure folder option available for you. And once you open the secure folder, you can just tap on this plus icon at the top right next to the secure folder option over here, and basically add any applications which you do not like other people to open directly. So when you try to open the application which are already in the secure folder, you must enter your password or pattern to open it. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.